this video, we're going to show you how to wire up the dual rad-eye turn signals. We're going to show you two options. The first is the most common, and the second is another way you can do it and is not as common, but we just wanted to show you just so you can see how it's done. Alright, we're going to install the dual rad-eyes with the LED converters. Strip the wire. Now strip your second set of wires. Now once you have the wires stripped, you're going to want to twist the power wires, the red and the ground wires together. Now we're going to solder the wires. Next, we need to connect the converters to the power wire and the ground wire coming from the bike to the ground wire on the rad-eye turn signals. Add your heat shrink first. Now the ground wire. Install your heat shrink. And then once you're done, it's always a good idea to test the lights before installing them on the motorcycle. This is your high intensity for brake and turn. This is your low intensity for your running lights. Second option, we're going to wire up each light independently. So first we want to start by stripping the wires. Add some solder to the wire. Next, we want to connect the power wires to the rad-eye lights. So you're going to have two power wires on this one and one ground wire. You still have to twist the ground wires together on this. Should have done that first, but happens. connecting the ground wire. Now we got to connect the second power wire. Most bikes come with the high-low system, so they've got two power wires, one for your running and the other for your run turn. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set these lights up. So one light is running, the other light is your turn and your brake. Add a heat shrink to all the wires. And now we want to test the lights to make sure everything's operating properly. Everything looks good.